So guys, now the insecurity of the market, because the market has problems, especially in Bitcoin. There are at this moment, especially the weekend, more retail traders, and of course the majority of the rich guys, right, they are not selling this all. They have been started also to help to sell, but they are here on bigger region, right, or higher region here. So the most retail traders are sitting here. And now, as I told you, you see here how the market starts to accumulate, right? We see here tries a little bit down. So, and that's the lack of information that the market has currently. So knowing some still are doubting if this is really true. Still, if you go on the social media, they see, they read, people, even non-traders, they are scared, and especially also these traders. The most traders have already their positions, so the rich guys, and now later on the other traders will come here and see, especially those who are in the stock market, see the news, and then they click on YouTube and whatever, they watch then my videos or maybe other channels, whatever, and then they come back, they, oh shit, what's happened here? And then I tell you, latestly, tomorrow, a lot of people are nervous because they have positions in the market, especially in NASDAQ. If you go to the NASDAQ chat, you get the people there where they have been talking by the dip, by the dip, by the dip. And until now, the trend in NASDAQ has not been broken, right? And that's the reason. But if the NASDAQ opens on Monday, it will be deeply in the red zone. So NASDAQ opens maybe for the first time in its history. The open will be at the same time in the bearish trend, from bullish to bearish at the same time. And now imagine how deep the volume will, the bullish volume will decrease, and instead how high and how big the bearish volume. I don't want to be in skin of those traders who are bullish now in NASDAQ. In NASDAQ, I think I did yesterday video also about NASDAQ. So I have some short positions also there. So I made the plan there. So my positions all open, thankfully. I wanted first of all to close, but I let it open. And the market will open very, very deep. And now the last chances for any diplomacy are gone. First of all, before I continue to the current news, as I told you, see the market tries to get up above 62,000, where we are now, yeah, about 62,000. It seems now to become very, very strong resistance. The bulls had a chance maybe to drop it down, and the bears accept the help of the bears, but it seems that the bulls are now a lot of aware, and that's good. That's a good sign that they start to use their brains not to fall into that trap. And as I told you, for example, let's say you have been bullish here, right? So especially traders who have been buying the dip, right? And possibly putting then their profit target somewhere here also hear a lot of people, I buy. I told them, don't do that. Don't do that. I see bearish volume is coming in all the day. Very unusual for a Saturday. And typically, if the Bitcoin during the week is pumping then at the weekend, right? So it has been during the last months that way, and the explanation for that was that we have been in a long-term trend. So, and this is very untypical, unusual during the last 2 weekends, and this one has lost its bullish spirit, especially on the weekends. And all these people have been here at the profit, right? So they went, for example, they bought the Bitcoin at around 66,000, and then they wanted then to go to fill this liquidity, so the most profit target. How do I know that? Well, all charts that are published in the BTC chat, and people are setting their profit targets, right? And then the market came down. I told them, don't buy, go sell, short, or take profits if you are bullish, or trail your stop if you are bearish. And then boom, the market went down on a lot of people here, maybe especially who have been in profit, their stops got hit. Possibly they have been trying to buy again. They got stopped out, and they did it again. They got stopped out. They did it again. I hope they have immediately closed their bullish positions here. I hope so. That's the trap, and we see how this bull trap is building now. So the market makes a fast bullish move, then stops slowly, boom, below the resistance. Then it's going up again. Yeah, you see here this bullish. So where have we here? Gotta see here, right? All right, good. So we can see it here clearly, right? And here the trap was the deep, or the so-called double deep. This is the first deep. Then the market comes down. So here we have the low. It made then a high, comes down, make a high. So I clean it, I do it again. So simple. Again, the market came down, makes a high, makes a higher low, makes a higher high, makes another higher low, and then as the market is going up, the market falls, and then the market makes now 3 lower high and low lows, and this is called a double deep trap. The double deep trap is if we are in a very extremely strong bearish trend, and we are officially in a bearish trend on higher time frames and on lower time frames, then the bulls want, of course, the market to have it here. And the bulls, I have to say, and I said it many times, they are trading very intelligently. The bears, I'm sorry, excuse me. The bears trade very carefully and very patiently and very intelligent, and instead the bulls, they give them the chance to get trapped. So why so? If the bulls move the market down, they immediately drive the price higher. Why? because they don't wait for the bulls. They fill themselves these liquidities. Gotta see here. Instead that the bulls start this move, the bears do the job for them, and now the bulls get double trapped. They go and they think the market will go higher, and then the bulls, boom, stop them out and then take the profit away, and the market falls much more deeper. Why? Because they hit the target of the pullback, bearish pullback, is to hit your stops, guys. So therefore, wait until the market is higher and then go short, right? It's very, very dangerous. You see, I know how it feels. You see this big range. Yes, that's a big profit, guys. The market came from here at this level, right? And it's making then higher low highs, consolidating. And I told you, after a probability of 15%, 70%, and if the market is not be able, the highs, right, we have also a probability again after a range of 15% trend and 15% down. And the bears worked here very, very intelligent. They trapped the bulls not only by the wedge, and not only that they defended all the highs every time, they trapped also this bearish flag. And the bearish flag is a trend continuation pattern, right? But when does it work? It works only if the general ITR and volume for the bulls is very bullish. And from 60, 61 or 63, as this uptrend until the all-time high began, the ATR and the volume on higher time frames came or went down all the time. That's a sign, guys. Two wonderful indicators, and they tell you the market will fall. If you are bullish, keep care of your positions, because then the roller coaster begins and we go down all the time. The market is telling you, guys, right? It's not written in the books or in another YouTube channel. Guys, you get all this knowledge only in my channel, okay? I reveal mysteries and secrets of trading never another trader do or people do. And if they do, they tell you, yes, visit our website, visit our course, give us $10,000. Okay, guys, I give it for free, okay? So you need to keep an eye to ATR. I make then maybe tomorrow a separate video for that, so you're getting them prepared for the next week, and also how to deal with this bull traps in a bearish market, so you are perfectly then prepared for the next months, next coming months. Because now also if the stock market opens, then we will be in until the end of the year in minimum, we will be then in red area. So you should think, if you are only buying or long, maybe you can learn also short selling, okay? So the one thing is ATR and the other one is volume, and I'm making then different videos anyway. So then you can watch them, then comment also your questions, and also come into the TradingView chat, then to my trading view page. You got it, DaveBrascoFX, but the link is below this video, whatever. So, and exactly this is happening now. Each time the green bars are getting higher, bearish volume comes in and ATR goes down. Each time the red bars begin, ATR's exploding and bullish volume exploding. What does it mean? It means we bears wait for you. Do your job, because we will go down. If you want or don't want, we don't care. If you are in a long position here, you see this formation, take profit immediately, because they wait and then suck, they go down. Have you seen in how many minutes, how many seconds, from 67,000 to 61,000 in not even a minute, right? And you have seen in the last video, I was making the video, it happened. I didn't trust my eyes, right? So this is the formation, and you see here again the new one, the new right here. This one is beginning, right? Volume coming in, going probably here, somewhere here, begins then to collapse, to get down. It can be also possible we make them very, very slowly moves. It's going higher, but very slowly, so that way. The bars are very small. And then you know they are going for here. Then wait, do nothing. Better if they are going here, let them go here, guys, here. And here, and then somewhere here, then you will have then these formations, then you will have big volatility, meaning then new highs, on the same time new lows. The market is doing, what can you do? After the first cycle, second cycle, third cycle, the fourth cycle, you catch, you go short, take the risk, let the market run for you. So then we would have then this formation, this Bitcoin. So that was the wedge. The market is down here. The market slowly coming up. What do you do? So low highs, wedge broken, gap filled. You wait, and then somewhere you start here a bearish pattern. You take the risk. So wait until the highest price possible is getting, and be aware of this formation, right? If it does so, then make a trend line, take the higher position and let go short. But wait first, make a test, put an arrow, for example, here, and if you see the price is going higher, and sometimes they trap you, the market comes down, and then you see just a bar going higher, 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 and this is timing. Exactly in the same time, the bar, this bar suddenly goes up, sell, you must sell. You sell in that buying green bar, exactly there. Because what have we learned until now? If you have been watching the videos, the faster it goes up, the faster it comes down, the faster it comes down, the faster it goes up, and then much more faster and deeper it's falling, right? So I have been watching this news. In addition to drones, we expect missiles to be launched from Iran, southern Lebanon, and perhaps Yemen. Okay, not something new. And just received this very important message. Large explosion reported in Tehran, that's the capital of Iran. Consequences So the Israelis also attack Iran now. We are officially in war. Iran attacked another country. Iran attacked Israel, not in Lebanon with rockets of Hamas and Lebanese, but Iran attacked Israel from inside Iran with missiles and drones. So, and this is the answer of Israelis. Officially, the two countries are now in war. Okay, this news has been published 28 minutes ago at the channel of Aviva Klumpas. Then here's another one. The IDF is going to attack our enemies by land, sea, and air, and the rest of us are going to fight on battlegrounds of academia, law, business, and so on. So now the NATO British fighter jets took off from Cyprus to intercept drones and missiles launched from Iran towards Israel. Still nothing to ceasefire now, people. Then she says also, because 100 drones from Iran wasn't enough, so the Lebanese are also shooting them out. Yeah, not easy for no one. And all the people there. So we see here on the map, that's real time. The map is updating real time. That flights of Russian airlines to Jordan, Iraq, Israel are suspended until restrictions are lifted, and intense flight of warplanes likely belonging to international coalition on the Syria-Iraqi border, so somewhere here. And we see also here now, these are all the targets that are got hit now by Israel or by the Israeli army. On the other side, from Iranian sides, nothing until now. And these are now the locations of the drones, right? So the drones have passed Baghdad of Iraq and on the way to Israel, and this satellite is then tracking them where they are at this moment. So guys, that's I don't know what to say. We are making money, but on the same time, you know, guys, but this is the business, right? As a trader. So I'm gonna now going to church. I'm making my girlfriend bought, then I phoned her to buy a lot of candles, and we are going now to church for people of Israel, for people of Iran. We are going now to light all those candles. So my positions are open, so I don't have any troubles about that. But you know, we all are humans, and we are like a chain. We are all connected to each other. It doesn't matter which language we are talking. It doesn't matter in what you are believing. It doesn't matter what gender you are. It doesn't matter what color we have, what backgrounds we have, what education base we have. You can have an MBA. You can just have been leaving the school after the 5th class, whatever, how old we are all are humans, and especially in trading, guys. Therefore, I love trading, and you know why? Trading is the most honest business and job, my dream job ever. Why? Because trading this green and this red bars, they don't know any discrimination of gender, no discrimination of colors, no discrimination of religion, of belief system, no discrimination for who you are, okay? The rules are the same for everyone. You can be someone like Michael Saylor, who is a Ponzi. You can be someone like me. You can be someone like you. You can be, the market doesn't care about it. It says, listen, buy or sell. That's the rule. If you're on the right direction, take the profit, you are richer. If not, we take your money away, you get losses, we are richer. In any case, and therefore I love this market, right? In the chat, people are arguing, attacking each other. Guys, stop it. Instead, start communication, talk with each other. I mean, look, since how many times, and I hope there are also a lot of younger auditions here in my channel, I hope so. Guys, how many times we are talking every day about problems, about fear. We are talking about war, about weapons, about how many people have been dying. How long? And then if we are in a trading chat, we all have the possibility to become wealthier, richer. What do? We fight each other. That's in our nature, right? So the next time if you are bullish and someone says, I am bearish, tell him, good luck, bro, good luck, sister, congratulations. The next time, if you are bearish, someone is bullish, congratulate him, okay? Even if you had a bad day or if you had a losing day, congratulate that person. Why? Because then you make yourself free of all those mind traps, okay? Instead, ask that person what is his point of view, why he sees the market bearish, why he's seeing the market bullish, right? If we communicate with each other, we improve every day in trading and also in the world outside of trading. We will practice that behavior to talk with each other, not to kill each other, guys, okay? And the war is now thousands of miles away from us, but guys, it was the same during the Second World War. How many soldiers went to Europe to fight against the Nazis and they died? War comes everywhere. And now, during this war, this is then the next big danger, and that's the danger of terrorism. And so be aware, guys, okay? So love, freedom, and spirit and wisdom. That's what I'm wishing every one of you guys.